Forget the box. This is the real deal. 5 incredible cheeses come together to make the creamiest, bubbliest mac and cheese you've ever seen. It's rich, cozy, and guaranteed to melt hearts with every bite. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's talk cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano, salty, nutty, and full of depth, the kind that lingers beautifully in every bite. Tillamook Sharp Cheddar, bold, classic, and melting into that golden, creamy goodness we all crave. Point Reyes Gouda, smooth and buttery, the secret behind that velvety, melt-in-your-mouth texture. 1.5-year Nagi aged cheddar, tangy, complex, and rich, with a sharpness you just can't fake. And Mixer Reserve Cheddar 2021, mature, full-bodied, perfectly balanced, and the final touch that ties everything together. 5 cheeses, 1 dream team. Grate them all fresh, toss them in a big bowl, and mix until every handful promises that perfect harmony of flavor, melt, and pure comfort. Now, let's start cooking. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add your pasta and season generously with salt. Cook it just 1 minute shy of al dente. When it's ready, drain and drizzle with a little butter or olive oil, just enough to keep the noodles from sticking while you make the sauce. Next, the sauce. In a Dutch oven, melt your butter over medium heat. Once it's melted, whisk in flour a little at a time to form a smooth roux, the foundation for that silky, creamy base. Cook for about a minute until it smells lightly nutty and turns golden. Gradually whisk in warm milk in batches, letting it thicken between each pour. When the sauce becomes smooth and velvety, whisk in the heavy cream for that rich, milky depth. Add the freshly grated cheese blend and stir until completely melted and glossy. Finish with a touch of nutmeg and a pinch of smoked paprika for gentle warmth and subtle smokiness. Don't forget a little salt to bring it all to life. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the cooked pasta into the sauce and stir until every piece is coated in creamy, cheesy bliss. Transfer half into a baking dish and spread it evenly. Add a layer of cheese on top, then spoon in the remaining pasta and finish with another generous sprinkle. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Then broil for 2 to 3 minutes to create that perfectly crisp, caramelized top. Let it cool for about 10 minutes, if you can wait. Once it sets a little, cut into squares and dig in. The top is crisp and golden, the inside creamy and rich, every bite melting together with 5 unforgettable cheeses. This is true American comfort food, made richer, deeper, and dreamier with every layer of flavor.